Hi, I'm Dr. Rich. So a common question I get from viewers and from patients alike is, how do I rinse out after I have any type of dental surgery in my mouth? So when you have a tooth extracted or most types of dental surgeries, your dentist will usually tell you not to rinse your mouth out for the first 24 hours after the surgery. This is just to let the area heal, not disturb any freshly formed blood clots in that section. But people tell me it feels gross not being able to rinse out. So here's a quick little way to, if you really need to rinse out, use this technique. So generally when you rinse, most people use their cheeks to swish the water, move the water around, pump it from side to side. You know, they'll take let me demonstrate. Take some water. So as you can see, I was using my cheeks to really kind of force the water from side to side all over my mouth. And that's not what you want to do. What you want to actually do is take some water and then just lean your head side to side, and that lets the water kind of gently go from side to side in all parts of your mouth. So you go tilt your head side to side. You can even tilt your head forwards and backwards to get it to move around your mouth. And then when you're ready to spit, don't use your cheeks to spit. Just lean over the sink, open your mouth, and let the water fall out on its own. Again, let me show you how I do it. And there you have it. That's how you can technically rinse right after dental surgery, and you won't really disturb any of the surgical sites. And again, keep your tongue away from the areas where you had the tooth extracted just while it's healing. Stay away from any stitches that you have in your mouth from either an extraction, implant placement, gum surgery, anything like that. So hopefully this is helpful, and I appreciate everybody watching and subscribing to the channel. Again, if you find value in this video, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It would really help me out. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Any questions or comments, please leave them below. I try to answer all the questions I get. You can always shoot me an email, which is, you can find that on my website, verynicesmile.com. All right, thank you so much. See you guys later.